Hello, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This video explains how to stop a group chat invitation on TikTok. If you want to prevent people from adding you to group chats, this is what you need to do. After logging into your TikTok application, you click on the three lines up here. You now proceed and you click on Settings and Privacy. The next step is to click on Privacy. You now scroll down and you click on Direct Messages. You see an option Group Chat. You click on it. You now see who can invite you to a group chat. The first option is followers that you follow back. So if you want to disable this option and prevent others from adding you to a group chat, you click on No One. Then you've succeeded in deactivating or stopping others from adding you to group chat on TikTok. Remember to subscribe, like, and don't forget to share this video. Thank you.